Hi, I'm Steve Sherman. Today I'm going to show you how to power up and calibrate your machine with the Inspire Plus control. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to the back of the machine and turn the main power switch on. So after your machine control boots up, you're going to have the emergency stop condition displayed. So you're going to want to reset your emergency stop button, and there will be one on the front panel, and if your machine has a conveyor or a remote hand wheel, there's an e-stop button on there too, so just make sure either one of them is not pressed. So give it a quarter turn, press enable. Your machine shows it's resetting. As soon as that completes, it says machine uncalibrated. To calibrate it, you'll press F1 home and then cycle start. Z will home first, followed by X and Y. Once your homing is complete, you can jog, hand wheel, or run your machine, whatever you need to do.